Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks here. I'm working them hard today, and Zena is ready to make a break for it. For today, I have a Rockbox unboxing for you. I love Rockbox. If you are new to Rockbox, it is a jewelry rental subscription, and you pay $21 a month for it. And for that $21, you get 3 pieces of jewelry each. I want to say each month, but it's really up to you. If you love the jewelry and want to keep wearing it, you could just keep it for as long as you wanted to. But it's better if you wear the jewelry as much as you like, decide if you're going to want to keep any of it, and then send back what you know you're not going to want to, and then get more jewelry. So it's basically your way to be able to just continuously rotate jewelry. And if you decide to keep anything that month, your $21 rental fee will go towards the purchase of any of the jewelry that you like to keep in your set. All right, so my box is here for this month. Let's get into it. So last month I decided that I didn't want to keep anything. I ended up not keeping anything at all from my set. So I hurry up and sent it back and got 3 more pieces because I don't want to lose my $21 credit or rental fee if I don't have to. Also, if you wanted to keep all 3 pieces in your set, let's say, you could keep all 3 pieces for 3 months worth of your rental fee and just buy 1 piece each month. And at the end of the 3 months, they will recognize that you have kept all 3 and give you that buy all discount, which I think is around $10. So they'll give you an extra $10 off that final piece whenever you purchase it. Just want to make sure you guys realize that. And I will share my referral link down below, because if you use my referral link to sign up for Rockbox, you will get your first $21 fee waived. All right. Right as soon as I open my box, I see a little piece of paper. It says, "Hey, gorgeous." This gives me information about the pieces that I chose. And I say chose because you will have a stylist curate pieces for you. Usually that is based on your preferences as far as what metals you like, as well as your wish list. So you can create a wish list on their site of pieces that you'd like to have included in your sets, and they always try to include 1 or 2 pieces from your wish list every month. Every month I've gotten pieces from my wish list, so keep that in mind. But if you get 24 hours to preview your set, and if you don't like what you're seeing, you can swap the pieces for other ones. And I did swap, I think, all 3 of my pieces this time. I usually don't do that. I'll usually swap 1 or 2, but this time I think I swapped all 3. Okay, everything always does come in little jewelry pouches, and you do always get a little return label, so you put everything right back in the box and then right back in the envelope that it came in, put the return label on and send it back. And as soon as they register that you have mailed it back, before they even get it, they will already start to curate your next set. First piece. This one is by Kendra Scott. Yes, this was definitely my pick. You always get a little pamphlet about Kendra Scott. And here are the earrings. How pretty are these? So pretty. Can't wait to try these on. All right, that's my first piece. Yes, so pretty. All right, let me read about it while I put these on. These are called the Lemmi earring in rose gold and ivory. The retail price is $60 and the member price is $60. So there's no discount for this piece. Usually there is. I'm not sure why there isn't for this one. It must be pretty popular, but no discount. These are pretty. Not too big, just enough to make a nice statement. Oh, I like these. Ugh, so pretty. All right, let's keep going. Next, these are Rudiment. Yep, this is also on my wish list. So the triple chains, double chains, multiple chains are so in right now. I saw this on their Instagram page, and I thought this was so pretty, and then I happened to see it on their site, was able to put it on my wish list, and then I was able to get it. So look at this triple chain set, and look how pretty. One of them is all kinds of little, let me show you this one, if you can see that, rhinestones. How pretty is that? And then this paper clip chain, you guys see that? This is so in, these paper clip chains. Incredibly in this year. So here's what it looks like, all three. So delicate. I love that they are three completely different chains, but they complement each other so well. All right, and this one is called the Quait layered necklace. As I said, it's by Rudiment. $70 is the retail price. The member price is $59 if I wanted to keep it. So my $21 would go against that $59. I do like this one. I think this is always, first of all, a great way. This is why I think I love Rocksbox so much. It's a great way to try new trends, decide if they're for you or not. If they're not, send them back. No harm, no foul. All right, look how pretty that is. So I like all three here. Make sure you guys can see all three. Here we go. It is adjustable. It had about, I think there's at least 2 inches, possibly 3 inches longer, that I can make this longer. I try to pull it up a little bit. I think I have it close to, I probably have another ½ an inch I could go shorter, but I can definitely go about another 3 inches longer. Pretty also. All right, so I'm off to a great start. I'm really liking these pieces. I have one more for you. This is also by Rudiment, and this one is a ring. This is called the Dolores ring in gold. It also is a retail price of $70, and the member price is $59. Let me show it to you before I put it on, if I can here. So it's got multiple, it's basically a wrap. So it's a triple wrap here with stones in the front. Very comfortable on. It's got some nice sparkle. I like it. All right, so let's see if I can show you all three pieces now. I like them. Which one is your favorite? I think it's torn between the earrings and the necklace for me. I really like them both, but I do like the ring too. So this one could be a tough one. I don't think I'm going to be sending all 3 of these pieces back this time. This one was a good one. Yeah, I like Rocksbox. I really do. I think this is such a great way to give jewelry a try before you invest money and decide you don't like it. All right, so that's all my pieces. Can't wait to hear what you think. Which was your favorite? Do share down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please hit that like button. I will share my link down below to make sure that if you do want to give this a try, you use my link so you get that first month for free. And I hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. Until next time, everybody, bye-bye.